update all morning, but it is 12:19 p.m. We just got to the top of our first hike. We have a gorgeous view behind me for lunch today, so we're super excited about that. Quick update, it is 5:18 p.m. We finished our hike a while ago and we found out some bad news when we got down from our hike. We learned that the main road through Glacier is closed for a couple different reasons. One about snow and having to remove snow and rocks, and also there's a reservation on the other side of Glacier that's closed due to coronavirus. So we're not able to get to a couple of the hikes that we wanted to do, so we had to readjust our plan. So tonight we're staying at a campground right outside the park, and tomorrow we're gonna do a hike in the morning and then probably head back down towards Yellowstone instead of spending a longer amount of time here, which is upsetting, but that's how it is.